No.
You should save your energy. You might need...
Shut up!
Andy! She's gone.
How did this happen?
Her leg was a ticking time bomb. After a cardiac arrest, without a hospital. It was a matter of time.
It's been at least 30 minutes since I set the flare. It's probably out, and it was our only one. No one's gonna come for us.
Just a shell of myself, and I've never felt so empty. Everything's spinning out of control, and I can't breathe.
You did it. You got help to us.
Not in time.